How to find Bybit wallet address? Hey everyone, welcome to the channel. This is Rose and I'm here to guide you on how to find Bybit wallet address. So do watch the video till the end, and without any further ado, let's dive right into the video. First of all, launch the Bybit app on your device. Make sure to log in and sign into the particular account if you haven't yet. Now, you need to select the deposit option. If you don't find here, tap the assets at bottom right corner of the screen and you will find deposit at top left corner under my assets. On this section, you will get different option. Simply select deposit crypto. Now, here you need to select your currency on which you want to find your Bybit wallet address. You can easily select any one by scrolling one by one. Once you have chosen any one, you need to choose a chain type and make sure that the chain type you make deposit to is the one you make withdrawal from. And once you do that, here you need to make sure to verify your identity. After you verify the identity, you will easily get your Bybit wallet address. And after you get your Bybit wallet address, simply you need to copy the wallet address and you can easily paste it anywhere, and then you can easily buy the crypto again using or pasting that wallet address in other wallet. So that is how we can successfully find Bybit wallet address. Hope this video helped you. If you are new to our channel, hit the like button and subscribe for more tech and tips videos. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.